Everybody want be rich, Razzie, Razzie, like bird no run, do roots rising. Well, whatever roots, eternally. Hey. From Kingston streets to the mountain high, a brand new rhythm touching the sky. All roots standing, branches grow, carrying the message everywhere we go. Voices rising, hearts unite, turning darkness into light. Feels the flame, one love burning just the same. Hear the drums, let the people sing. Every heartbeat carries everything, past and future side by side. On this journey, let love be our guide. New roots are rising, feel the fire, lifting every soul a little higher. One sound, one love, one destiny. Jamaica spirit flowing free. New roots are rising, loud and strong, keeping the roots where they belong. From every village to every sea, reggae lives in you and me. Hey, hey. Mix the heartbeat with a brand new wave. Still the same truth our fathers gave. No matter how the rhythm grows, the seed of love forever shows. Different colors, different tongues, still one song on every tongue. Freedom echoes through the air. Hope is something all can share. No walls can stop this melody. No chains can steal our liberty. The roots grow deeper every day, lighting up a brighter way. Final new roots rising, feel the fire, lifting every soul a little higher. One sound, one love, one destiny. Jamaica spirit flowing free. New roots rising, hear the call. There's enough love to reach us all. The future shines.